Hi there, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. This is Deepak Kshatriya. Whenever you go to a dhaba or a restaurant, you might have been ordered a beautiful dish known as a baby corn pepper dry. Ever wonder how those guys in restaurant or in dhaba make such beautiful pepper dry? So in this session, I'm going to show you how to make that dhaba style or that restaurant style baby corn pepper dry. So without much of it, let's see how this beautiful baby corn pepper dry is made. The required ingredients for this baby corn pepper dry are a half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, a half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, green chilies as per your heat, a half a teaspoon of kaju, 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, chopped onions 1 number and curry leaves 4 to 5 strands, corn flour 1.5 tablespoon, maida 1.5 tablespoon, salt to taste, baby corns 200 grams, oil 2 tablespoons and enough to deep fry. Here I've taken a nice baby corn which is of a good quality. So what we'll do is we need to cut them down. So for this we'll chop them like this and make 2 pieces more. Look, this is nice and good, and this will make a good pieces. So similarly we'll do everything like this. And look, these are ready. We'll take them out. Look here, I kept the water in a pot and allow the water to boil. And in this I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. In this I'm going to add these baby corns and allow them to cook for about 2 minutes. And now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. It's boiled perfectly. Let's take them out. And allow this to cool. Here I've taken a bowl. In this I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of maida and an equal quantity of corn flour, that's 1.5 tablespoons. And I will add 2 pinches of salt and a pinch of pepper powder and give them a nice mix. And now in this we'll add this blanched baby corn. And first what we'll do is to dust them like this. Each and every corner of the baby corn should be dusted. Look, like this. This is perfect. We'll add water gradually, a tablespoon by tablespoon, and give this a nice mix. Remember, don't add water at a time, just little by little, gradually add the water. Look, this is perfect now. Look, each and everything has been coated perfectly. Now this is ready. Now, and let us see how to fry them. Look here, I kept a oil to heat on a pan and the oil seems to be nice and hot. What we have to do is take this baby corn and add one by one like this. Remember one thing, don't touch it whatsoever till 1 minute. And remember, cook this on a low to medium heat. And now look, these are perfectly done. Look, it has been a little bit of coloring. Now you can turn them. And now look, they are nearly 90% done. We'll take them out. Don't worry, we'll do them a double fry to make them extra crispy. Similarly, we'll do another batch like this. You can see these are also 90% done. We'll take them out and allow them to cool for about 2 minutes. And now these babycorns are resting for about 2 minutes. Let's flash fry them. Remember, when flash frying, the oil should be on a very high flame just to give it a crispy crunch, and toss them for a bit. Really good. You can see what a beautiful color it got. This is known as a flash frying, which gives this a nice crisp and a crunch. And here you go, the babycorns are nicely fried and it's ready. Look, if you fry in this method, the oil will not get dirty. You can see the oil is super clean only by using my technique. Now look, in a same pan I have added nearly 2 tablespoons of oil, and the oil is nice and hot. First, I will add these curry leaves and fry them. In this we'll add the chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and on a high flame saute them. Immediately add the cashews and some green chilies. Adjust the green chili according to your heat. Don't add too much because in turn we are going to add some pepper also. In this we'll add some chopped onions and give this a nice mix. And now you can see the onion is turning golden brown. At this time we'll add this fried babycorns. Give this a nice mix or a toss. In this we'll add a half a teaspoon of light soya sauce. And we'll add a little bit of a salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And give this a nice toss. And give this a nice mix. Finally, we'll add some chopped coriander. And here you go, the restaurant style babycorn pepper dry is now ready to taste. Ah, just awesome. Looks delicious and it came out perfect. I want you guys to try this recipe and let me know how it went in the comment section down below. And please do remember, don't forget to subscribe if you are first time visiting our channel. I will be keep bringing you more such yummy recipes. I will be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is Deepaks signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.